In this video, we're going to show you how to fix a VAN152 error on Valorant. The first thing you can do is restart your Riot client software. To do this, start Task Manager by pressing Windows plus X or Ctrl-Alt-Delete and select the utility from the menu. If it's not selected already, click on the Processes tab. Find Riot Client on the Processes tab by scrolling down, and right-click the Riot Client process to select End Task. Another way you can fix this is to make sure the VGC startup is enabled. So again, start running dialog by pressing Windows plus R, which will open that accessory. To bring up the msconfig utility, you'll need to input this text and run and press enter, which is msconfig. Click Services to have a look at the tab. Select the VGC checkbox if the startup service is disabled and press apply to save the new service setting. Click on OK and then restart on the dialog box window to apply the changes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.